Hello YouTube, it's Two Cools 2. This is update 1, the snowstorm or the blizzard that's in New York City and the whole Northeast. On January 28th to the 29th of 2022. It's January 29th, 7 a.m. You see it's a lot of snow on the ground, a lot of blowing snow right now in the air. Snow continually coming down. You haven't seen my previous videos, go check them out where I do a forecast, and I had the first video footage a few hours ago. And this snow is coming down, it's blowing, it's very cold. Dead quiet out. You see that snow here. Light, dry snow. As I explained in previous videos, which is going to make the snow ratios go up. The snow is pretty difficult to walk in, actually. It's pretty cold. I have double layers on. I'm cold. This won't be a long video. Pretty quiet out. Saturday morning. Especially if you stay inside. Try to stay warm. So far I measured 4 inches of snow. I'll show you guys. I don't know how accurate it is, but the snow was untouched, so visibility is down to 0.3 miles. So we're getting to near blizzard conditions here of 1/4 mile, which is 0.25. And this is going to get worse and worse here. Again, if you haven't seen my forecast video or previous footage, go check it out. Basically, the brunt of the storm is arriving at 4 p.m. today. So it's only 7 a.m. right now. We're just getting started with the intensity. You hear that wind? You see some of these stores over here open. I don't know what the hell they're doing. No one's going out today. They're closed. Let me try to show you the measurement here real quick. Let's see my foot cap. Very cold, very cold. Much colder than earlier when I did my first video. Measuring 5 inches. So it looks like 5 inches is actually falling. There's a lot of snow again, it's blowing. We're starting to get a heavy snow band over the city now for the next couple hours. I saw the radar. The snowfall rates here are just going to keep growing and growing. Gloves on as well. It's freezing. See snow starting to drift here. Especially up like that. Wow. Well, I think I'll end the video here. There's not much else to show. It's a quiet Saturday morning. Hopefully everyone gets to stay inside, enjoy yourselves, ride out the storm. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned for updates. Again, if you don't know, I probably forgot to say in the video, but for those of you who don't know, I'm in Brooklyn, New York, and I generally follow storms as they come through, document them. So if you want to continue seeing more footage, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We'll be getting some footage of the storm. If you haven't seen previous videos, go check them out. I do a forecast and the first footage from a few hours ago. So yeah. Thank you very much. See you guys in the next one.